embryonic day 9 embryo. You see it moving around a bit. You can kind of see a white speck on the end of what will become the beak. And so that's just the hardening of that tissue. See the very pronounced eye spot still, the eye developing. And then if I zoom out, look at how big the vascular system is. It is completely grown around, out to touch and call on all of the different corners of the yolk. And if we zoom in, you can see if it moves around here a little bit for us, some digits on the limb buds. You can kind of see an opening where the mouth is going to be. Here it goes.